Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. I'm going to try to do a drive-through on my Lego City. So let's start down Park Street. There we are at the intersection of Park and Main. We got some food there. We got apartment buildings. We turn the corner here. You kind of see the jazz, and there's some ice cream stores. So let's turn the corner. There's a Lego store. Okay, we're going to keep on moving. What's past the Lego store? Oh, there is a corner building. So let's keep moving. Got some carriage rides in the park. Let's look at the park. We can see the people walking through the park there. We're going to keep moving. Let's turn the corner here. Keep following the park. Going to see all three sides of my park. Talk about the other buildings on the way back. So let's see here. I have to lift my arm over the buildings as I drive. So there's a police station. Oh, look way over there on the other side of the city. There's a flying car. There's my downtown mall. Here's my homegrown church. Oop, drive down a bump. Not too level. Let's see, there's some houses. Park Street. Turn the corner here through carriage. Let's see, can I try to drive down the, oh, that's a gravel road. I'm not driving down a gravel road. So let's back up and go the other direction. Okay, we're going back the other direction. Let's see here, we got a diner. We got a bakery. We got a little outside mall. Got a nice hospital. Let's see over here. We got our police station. Try to turn the corner to our fire station. Let's see. We got the corner kiosk is in the corner. Can we look through the park here? Let's take a look through our Legoland park. Okay. Hey, looks like a Menards. Keep on moving. Hey, we got a nice hotel here. Besides the hotel, we got a Parisian restaurant. We got a Market Assembly Square. Got a bunch of people hanging outside of a bookstore, Birch Books. Okay, I'm not a very good driver. There's a gas station. And we're going to finish off with the windmill. So thank you very much.
Thanks from Chuck's Bricks. Please like and subscribe.